tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, untuk keselamatan anda. Sebentar lagi kami akan menayangkan video mengenai alat-alat keselamatan dan tata cara untuk keluar dari pesawat ini semasa kecemasan. Tata cara keselamatan yang berbeza dari yang lain bila tumpukan perhatian kepada talian keselamatan. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for your safety, a video presentation on safety features and evacuation procedures will be screened shortly. As the safety procedures on this aircraft may differ from other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to our safety briefing.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we take off, I'd like to take you through a few simple procedures to ensure your safety. Please give your full attention because the procedures may be different from aircraft to aircraft. Let's get straight into it. First, all baggage must be stored carefully and securely, either in this overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. All aisles and exits must be kept clear. For takeoff and landing, put your seat upright and your table stowed. Please switch off all electronic devices. Your seatbelt must be securely fastened. To fasten, push the two metal ends together until they click. Pull to tighten. To unfasten, just lift the metal flap. Infant seatbelts are available on request. Keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated and keep them visible. This is a non-smoking flight, so smoking is prohibited anywhere in the aircraft, including the toilets, where sensitive smoke detectors are installed. Tampering with a smoke detector is an offense. If cabin pressure is low, oxygen mask will drop down automatically. Be seated. Pull the mask firmly towards you to start the oxygen flow. Place it over your nose and mouth, adjust the band to secure, and breathe normally. Always attend to yourself first before attending to others. If the bag doesn't inflate, don't worry. Oxygen will still be flowing. Your life jacket can be found here, in the business class, or here, in the economy class. Tear it open, slip the jacket over your head, pass the tape around your waist, and attach the buckle. Pull the loose end to tighten.